In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap in Prezi. First things first, you'll want to log into your Prezi account and kick things off by opening a new presentation. This sets the stage for constructing your roadmap with all its essential details and creativity. Now, as you prepare to dive in, it's important to choose a template that's appropriate for timelines or roadmaps, unless you prefer the blank canvas approach. A good template can provide a strong foundation, saving you time and guiding your design choices in a cohesive way. Once you've got your canvas ready to go, you'll need to add a main topic. This is where you'll capture the essence of your roadmap with a title or project name. Think of this as the overarching theme that will hold your entire presentation together. Next, you'll start breaking down this main idea into more manageable pieces by creating subtopics. Consider each subtopic a significant milestone, phase, or key event in your roadmap. These elements will serve as the steps that guide you and your viewers through the journey you're mapping out. Visual representation can make or break a presentation. For each step on your roadmap, take advantage of Prezi's functionality by inserting icons, images, and graphics. These visual aids will help tell the story more vividly and ensure your audience stays engaged. Plus, they can simplify complex information, making it more digestible at a glance. To enhance the narrative flow, you'll want to use zoom paths. The seamless transition that zoom paths offer guides your viewers smoothly from one section to the next, maintaining a logical progression and keeping the experience dynamic. This feature is one of Prezi's standout capabilities, allowing you to create a presentation that feels almost cinematic. After the content and path are set, refine your presentation by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. These decisions can greatly impact the clarity and engagement level of your roadmap. Choose a color palette that aligns with your project's theme and a font that's easy to read and appropriate for your audience. Simple adjustments to the layout can also enhance readability and aesthetic appeal. And there you have it. That's how you create a roadmap in Prezi. By following these steps, you'll not only craft a roadmap that's informative, but also visually engaging. Prezi's tools make it easy to showcase your ideas in a way that's both professional and appealing. I hope this guide inspires you to create compelling presentations that effectively communicate your vision. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.